Hello, and welcome to Upstream Tech5. On this episode, we're going to take a deeper look at remote control features. If your company has policies regarding remote controlling users, it could be nice to implement those policies in a remote control session. Remote control policies can be applied to admin roles or machines. Here, we're defining a policy for the help desk role. The user will get a pop-up about IT support requesting a remote control session. It is also required for the help desk to take some notes when they start a remote control session for the user. This could be a short description about the problem or a reference to a ticket number. The user will also be notified when the session is terminated. The user pop-up messages can be both translated and customized. You can also define machine policies, and they work exactly the same way. But machine policies will override any existing admin role policy. If you use require admin note, it could be very useful in reports. This log report will show you all the remote control log entries the last 30 days. We can see all the changes we made, and we can see the remote sessions, when they started, duration, when they ended, by whom, and hopefully with a more detailed description than this. If you apply remote control policies to your users and force your IT administrators to enter some notes when they're remote controlling, you will get better reports. And furthermore, visualize your services to your customers. This is all for this episode, and thank you for watching.